Hi guys, today I filmed this tutorial on this hair. I am wearing a, I think it's a 6x6 or 5x5 closure from Nadula Hair. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're gonna be doing like a closure install. I wanted to just show you guys the details on this wig before I begin, because it's like I did bleach the knots, but I didn't cut the lace. It already came kind of cut. I just gotta cut it a little bit more. And if I'm not mistaken, this is also HD lace. So I just want to show you guys the inside. This wig was made like a handmade wig, like not even like a machine made wig. I just wanted to show you guys that. And let me let it focus. This side has like grip, the plastic grip stuff, so it'll just hold on to your head and not slip off. I did cut off the bands, but I did not realize that it didn't come with straps, and that's why they put that strap on there, the band. But I cut it off, so we will continue without it. Now I'm just gonna cut off this extra lace. So now I'm going to take a one layer, and I think that's all I'm going to be applying is just one layer. I'm trying to go a little easy on the glue and give myself a little break. Alright you guys, now it's time to put the lace down. Now I'm just gonna take this spray. This is the ABN Lace Wonder Bond Lace Melt Spray. Y'all, I love this spray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it and tap it. Let me just spray it on my finger and tap it. It really melts the lace. And I'm just tapping it on the hair. And now I'm just gonna put this band that came on the wig right on top. Lately I've been using this band as a melt band, and I'm just gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes, and once it's dry I'll come back on and finish out the hairstyle. This hair is body wave, but I am going to end up straightening it bone straight and making the ends blunt cut. Alright y'all, so now I've left it on for more than 5 minutes and everything is melted. I'm just going to go ahead and take my makeup powder and just definitely go in that area just to make it a little bit more seamless. So now I'm gonna take the hair down. So this is the hair in its natural pattern, and it's just body wave hair. But I'm going to press it out completely bone straight. Just gonna pull out right here for my baby hair, and here for my baby hair. I mean, this side is picked out, and I'm gonna do the same to this side. Okay, I'm gonna spray it one more time. I don't know what they doing outside. And I'm gonna leave this on for a couple minutes again. And once that dries, we'll start baby hairs. Alright, you guys, so the time is up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off like this. Alright, y'all, super melted. One thing I do notice that's differently about this side and the other side is this side is a little bit more plucked. There we go. It's gotta be plucked. Enough on both sides. Alright, so this is how each baby hair looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and with a hot comb, and then run through with the comb, and then run through with the comb, and I'll cut it to like right here. Same on both sides. And I like to curl it flipped. I will go with my razor, and I would just go a bit shorter. Do the same thing with my razor. Just go a bit shorter. So I'm going to take my baby hair goo. These are the new final labels for them. So there you go. And slick this part back and do the same for this side, just to make sure there's no hairs in the way. And then I will begin to lay it down. I just put a little bit right here, a little bit right here, and right here. Just smear that down. I'll do the same to the other side. Okay, so those are my two baby hairs. Now I'm just going to focus on my parting, making sure it is in the middle and it is clean. I did over bleach this area, so I'm just going ahead and re-lining it. So I'm just gonna hold on, y'all. I'm gonna do my part real quick, and I'm gonna go get him settled. So I'm not gonna say I was like against using cream concealer, but I'm starting to all in one just like the makeup process and applying a lot of makeup, using makeup really. So now I'm just going to hot comb this part down. Whew. I got some fresh braids, y'all, so you know the wig is gonna lay flat. All right, I'm gonna go tend the car real quick, and I'm gonna press my hair out straight. It's not focused, so I just went ahead and pressed out the whole thing. Now I'm just, and it's actually pressed out really nice. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and set the hair and hot comb everything into my likings. So I just spray up the top area, and then I'm gonna use some of this spray and see what it does for me, because I'm obsessed with the spray, I won't lie. And then where's my sleeping spray? And then I take some of my oh wow, here go my spritz, but it's empty. Where's the sleeping spray? It was just here. I take my sleeping spray, just that's gonna keep it from frying up from the hot comb. And then you just brush that. I just brush it into place like this, and I brush the product through the hair like this. Okay, get that back piece, and then I just go in with my hot comb. And you'll hear like a little sizzle, but nothing too crazy. And then it was body wave hair, but I decided to go ahead and flatten it straight, and it comes about right underneath my boobs, so it is not too long. I mean, it's not too short for 24 inches. I am wearing hair from Nadula Hair. So this is the little box they sent the hair in, and it comes with a little hair dust bag. It also came with a nice silk robe that says Nadula on it, and also a goodie bag with an HD cap, a makeup brush, lashes, and a melt band. And it also came with its own melt band that says Nadula. I wish I would have used this for my video instead of using the other one. And they also sent me a second HD cap. So yeah, y'all, make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair for some bomb affordable hair. Comment down below, let me know about my install, let me know what y'all think. I feel like I've lost my hair touch, y'all. Let me know if y'all think I still do hair cute. I feel like I've lost it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.